Good afternoon, everybody. Marshall Sanders with Gill Mortgage, and today I'm here with...
I'm Stephanie Fischer with JP and Associates Realtors.
Awesome. Stephanie and I are here to talk to you guys about a down payment assistance program that we both used. It's called TSAHC, and hopefully after our conversation today, you're going to know all about it, right? So Stephanie and I met a few weeks ago at a property tour event that I put on, and she mentioned to me that she had clients that had used TSAHC before. Stephanie, can you tell me a little bit about your experience with your clients in the program?
Yes. So TSAHC is a great program for people who may not have money saved up for a home. They may not think they could get into a home because a lot of people think you need 20% or 5%. TSAHC actually takes away that need and will grant you money to be able to get into a home, so you don't have to wait until prices rise.
Awesome. And so, Stephanie, would you say that it was any harder using TSAHC than traditional financing that your clients have used?
No, definitely not. They had no issues. The loan closed early, actually less than 30 days, so it was a very easy process.
Awesome. And so one of the things that, as a lender who's approved to use this program in this market, I wanted to share with you guys is that just a few of the specifics about the program. So TSAHC offers 3%, 4%, or 5% times the sales price of your home that Stephanie and our clients can use towards down payment and or closing costs. So that greatly lowers the amount of funds to close that our clients may have to bring to closing. Stephanie shared an interesting fact with me. How much did your client in December have to bring to closing?
$57 only to the table. Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing, guys. You know, normally it's much more than that to purchase a house. Right before we came in here for this taping, Stephanie and I were looking at the income guidelines for the program. So in order to be approved for the program, there are definitely income and family size guidelines, right? Mm-hmm. And we saw that anywhere a family can make anywhere from $76,700 a year all the way up to $108,000 a year and still qualify for the assistance. Stephanie, you mentioned to me that you thought one of the other advantages to using TSAHC was that you could use the program anywhere.
Right, yeah, so it doesn't limit you. You can look in Travis County, Williamson County, Hutto, Round Rock. You know, a lot of times like USDA loans can only be in certain areas. Outlying Austin, it's getting smaller and smaller. The TSAHC loan you can use anywhere, so you're free to purchase a home anywhere you want to live in Texas.
Awesome. And we're almost finished up here, but I did want to, just a couple of more things. When you first heard about the program, what interested you in TSAHC or even, you know, delving into it for your clients?
Just thought it was super easy to be able to, you know, get started with the program. All you have to do is go online, you take a quick 3-question quiz. It tells you yes or no, you don't qualify. Then you get connected with you, and basically you just confirm that, and it's not harder than a regular loan. You just go forward. It's super easy. It's not rocket science. It's something that anybody can do, and it's just really helpful. And again, gets people into a home that may not think they could have gotten into a home before. Right.
Stephanie said to me before we came in here that she literally had clients who didn't think that they could qualify to buy a home right now, and she introduced them to the program. They went online and figured out that they could qualify, and lo and behold, in December they became homeowners.
Right, yeah, it's awesome. I've had several people who have gotten into a home who just didn't think they could, and so they were like, this is awesome, it's so great, and so it's a really good program to be able to help people out.
Awesome. So that's the end of our talk today, guys. Again, just to recap, TSAHC is an awesome program. It helps clients who don't think they can qualify or have the down payment saved and that kind of thing to get into a home right now. At the end of this video, you're going to see contact information for both Stephanie and I. Reach out to either one of us and let us help you become a homeowner today. That's the end of our talk. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.